So once the kids are done brushing their teeth, now it's my turn to wash my face, and I wash my face with Dove soap. It's basically the only soap that doesn't dry my face, and I only use it on my face. So after that, I'll go ahead and dry my face because I am about to moisturize it, and I normally use the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. So after applying it on my face, I then give it a good massage so that it gets into my skin. So this normally takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So the next thing I do is to put on my earrings because I cannot do without earrings. Like, I'm that weird. I always have an extra in my bag in case I'm going out and I forget to wear. I always have to wear earrings. If you're like me, kindly let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to hear if there's any other person who can't do without earrings like me. So when I'm done, now it's time to head to the kitchen. Now it's time to make breakfast for everybody. And since the kids are super hungry and can't wait for the other breakfast, I'm just gonna go ahead and make for them some cereal because they're super hungry today and they just cannot wait. And so I'm gonna make for them some cornflakes. So as the kids are having their breakfast, now it's time to make breakfast for the adults, and today I'm gonna be making hot chocolate and puff puff. So as the tea is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and clear out the dishes in the sink because I love a clean kitchen when I'm cooking. So when the tea is ready, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some chocolate, and then I'm gonna give it a little bit of a stir. And then I'm gonna pour the hot chocolate into the flask so that everybody will get the tea or the hot chocolate hot enough when they wake up to have their breakfast. So when I'm done with the tea, now it's time to make the puff puff. I'd already prepared the butter the previous night, so I'm just gonna heat up my oil. And then if you want to learn how to make the puff puff, I already have a recipe on my channel. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So as you can see, I had prepared it last night and now it's well risen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of a stir just to remove the excess air. And as you can see, the puff puff butter is very stretchy. So if you want to learn how to make puff puff, I already have a recipe on my channel. I'm gonna put the link up here or in the description box down below so that you're able to find it quite easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry the puff puff, which we are gonna be having with hot chocolate for breakfast. So puff puffs are really easy to make and they're super economical. Like you just need flour, some yeast, some water, and then some sugar. And also if you like cinnamon or nutmeg, you can always add it to your batter. So I have a recipe on my channel. Kindly go and check it out in case you want to learn how to make puff puff. So breakfast is ready and I've set it there for everybody to come and serve themselves. So when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and have my bath because I like to have my breakfast after I have my bath. So after shower, I always use the Nivea Express Hydration. I apply it all over my body. Of course, I'm not going to show you that. And then for my face, I use benzoyl peroxide because my skin is prone to acne, and this has really helped me a lot to clear out my skin. So I'm just going to take like a pea size and apply it all over my face, and then I'm going to give it like a really good massage. So after benzoyl peroxide, I also applied the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer on my face. This also helps to moisturize my face because, you know, when you're using benzoyl peroxide, it tends to really dry out your skin. So in case you're using benzoyl peroxide, it's always advisable to really moisturize your face very, very well. So I'm gonna give it a really good massage also. So because the water here is a kind of salty, I don't know whether it's saline, it tends to dry out my hands. So I'm gonna apply the Nivea hydrating lotion on my hands just to moisturize my hands, because after the dishwashing my hands are super dry. So I rarely wear makeup when I'm indoors, so I only wear makeup in case I'm going out. So that part of my morning is done. I'm just gonna clear out the bed, remove the towel, straighten up the bed and straighten up the room before I head down to go and have my breakfast. So all I do is just straighten up the room so that it's nice and neat. To have my breakfast outside because I get to connect with nature. I get to be alone there and just enjoy my simple and nice breakfast. It's such a beautiful day, and sometimes you get to see zebras just grazing outside there. So as I sit there and have my breakfast, I always tend to wait for them to come out there to graze so that I can just watch them as I'm having my breakfast. So guys, that is just my simple morning routine. It's just always the same, whether I'm in Nairobi or here in Nanyuki. It's just basically the same, nothing much, nothing fancy. So guys, that is basically my morning routine. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you're gonna give my video a like. It really helps my channel to grow, and I really do hope that you're gonna leave me a comment if there's anything you think I should do on my channel. Give me video ideas, guys, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. And I really do hope that I'll be able to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye and have a good day.